Imagine flipping a switch and filling a dark room with light. Now, imagine that same light using almost no energy, producing almost no heat, and lasting for years without burning out. That's the power of LED technology. But how does it actually work? To really understand why LEDs are revolutionary, let's compare them to old-fashioned incandescent bulbs. Take a look at this. An incandescent bulb lights up, but after just a few minutes, it's too hot to touch. Meanwhile, an LED of the same brightness stays cool. That's because traditional bulbs waste most of their energy as heat, while LEDs convert nearly all of it into light. But how? It all comes down to something called electroluminescence, a fancy word for how certain materials emit light when electricity passes through them. Inside every LED is a special material called a semiconductor, designed to release energy as light instead of heat. Think of it like this. Imagine a tiny bridge inside the LED, with electrons on one side and empty spaces on the other. When electricity flows through, the electrons jump across the bridge, filling those empty spaces and releasing energy. But instead of producing wasteful heat, this energy is emitted as light. The type of semiconductor used determines the color of the light: red, green, blue, or even bright white. This is why LEDs are so efficient. Since they don't rely on burning filaments like old bulbs or gas like fluorescent tubes, they last much longer, sometimes tens of thousands of hours. That's why LED technology is everywhere. In car headlights, phone screens, streetlights, traffic signals, and even massive stadium displays. Another cool thing, LEDs can be controlled instantly. They don't need time to warm up, they can change brightness smoothly, and they can even shift colors. That's how smart lighting works. One LED bulb can create different moods with the press of a button. Let's test your knowledge. Can you guess how many hours an LED lasts compared to an incandescent bulb? Pause for a second and take a guess. The answer? An old incandescent bulb lasts about 1,000 hours, but an LED can last up to 50,000 hours. That's 50 times longer. Look around your home. How many LEDs can you spot? Your TV, your phone, maybe even your refrigerator light? LEDs aren't just lighting up our world, they're shaping the future. And with technology advancing every day, who knows? Maybe one day we'll have LED walls that change color like chameleons, or flexible LED screens built into our clothes. With LEDs lighting our way, the future shines brighter than ever.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.